Hi guys, welcome to Bitcoin Gem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So this is a quick video on 5 altcoins. We are going to look at their USDT pair and I'll do rapid analysis of all these 5 altcoins. So I hope you guys have read this disclaimer. Let us begin today's video. The first altcoin that we will look into is MTV, that is Multivac. So MTV is currently broken an important support in my opinion, that is at around 0.02. So 0.022, this is an important support. If you are planning to trade it, you should wait for it to flip this into support. And then I see MTV hitting these all resistances and at least going to 0.06 in this next leg up. If you like the project and if you want to buy the dip, you will be buying into very good two support zones. One is at 0.015 and one is at 0.005. I don't know whether we will go that low, but 0.015, this has been a very good support for MTV since at least 2 months. So you can definitely buy some over here. It's also got support from 200 EMA on the daily, which is at 0.012. So this, in my opinion, is a very good accumulation zone for MTV, and it should not break this support because then I do not see any major support anywhere over here. It can go as low as 0.005 or 6. So I think this is a very good zone to accumulate MTV, as once Bitcoin starts getting stabilized in this next leg up for altcoins, this is a good run for MTV, where I see it hitting at least at 0.06 on the daily. If you're looking to trade it purely, wait for it to flip 0.022 into support. If you like the project, this is a good time to accumulate some. The next chart we are looking at is XPR, and that is Proton. Again, on the daily, it's bullish. It's consolidating above a very important support for me, in my opinion, that is at 0.029. Sorry. So almost at 3 cents, the support that you see, that is an important support in my opinion for Proton. It has definitely broken the 21 EMA, but it is still above the daily support. And in this next leg up, I can see Proton going at least till 13 cents. 13 and a half cents is my target for Proton once we start this next leg up. So on the daily, it is looking quite bullish and it is sitting on a very important support. If we go and look at the weekly, yeah, weekly is also looking good. This is kind of a bull flag. So overall, a good looking setup in my opinion. If you want to trade Proton, you can definitely buy some over here because it is right now in the buy zone in my opinion. So that is Proton for you. The third chart we are looking at is TEL, that is Telcoin. Again, on the daily, it has broken an important support, and for me, it needs to be about 0.019, so almost 2 cents. It needs to be about 2 cents for its next leg up, and it's also currently getting supported by the 200 EMA, which is at around 0.018. So breaking this, if at all TEL breaks this, then I think the next major support you can see very clearly over here is at 0.012 to 13. So that is a first important major support for TEL if at all it breaks this support currently. So overall, this is in the buy the dip zone. If you like this project, then this is one of the good times to accumulate. You can see over here, this was basically a downtrend which it got broken and now it's going sideways. So the two major supports for TEL is at 0.013 and also at 0.008. So overall, this is definitely going sideways right now in the overall structure. You can see over here very clearly, this was a downtrend, now it's going sideways. In this next leg up, I can see it going till at least 4.5 cents once we start pumping. So if you're planning to trade some, wait for it to flip 2 cents into support. If you like the project, then you are buying at a very good dip in the buy the dip zone. So depending on your style, you can either buy some right now, or if you can wait for it to flip this into support. The fourth chart we are looking at is layer, unilayer. Again, broken a very important pivot point in my opinion, which was at around $1, $1.12, and currently sitting at a first huge support, which is at around 60 cents. So 60 to 62 cents is a huge support for layer. If this support get broken, it can go as low as 15-16 cents, which was the previous low over here in the July. This was the bottoming, and since then you can see this has been a very big support for layer. So it needs to hold this as support, or else it can go even low. But eventually it, in my opinion, is a very good project, and once it comes out of this accumulation, I expect it to go and hit at least 3.4 to $4 if at all we continue with the bull run. But layer, even on the weekly, to me is looking, it's heading for correction. So I think it will consolidate over here, or if at all we see some major Bitcoin correction, then it can also go down, have a wick down and then come back. But these are good zones to accumulate layer if you like the project, and in my opinion it is a good project. So even if for long term, I do not think this is a bad buy. So overall, I still see layer, if we continue with the bull run, that it can easily go and hit 3.4 to $4, and of course it can go way higher, but the next leg up will be at least till 3.4 to $4. If you're wanting to trade it, I would suggest you should wait for it to flip this important area of $1.12 into support, and then you can ride this entire wave. But buying over here, as I told you, is a good project, and it won't be a bad decision in my opinion. Again, it is just my opinion, not a financial advice. So please do your research. And the last chart for today is Veracity VRA. Nothing has changed in this chart. I had shared this chart, I guess, 2 weeks before, when VRA was trading somewhere over here. I told you guys that I am expecting a dip in VRA, and also I expect it to go sideways. I do not expect it to pump. We did get a very good volume, the biggest volume VRA 3 days back, but because of the Bitcoin correction, it has again come down, or else I think it was ready for its new leg up. But still, I think this is one of the best altcoins you can buy over there. I am very, very bullish on VRA. It is currently broken the support on the daily, that is at around 0.068. In my opinion, this was an important support which has broken. It can come down and retest 0.049 to 0.05. This is the region, and it would be nothing bad if at all it comes down and retest, because it would be retest of this previous high. So overall, there is nothing wrong. You can see these were the two previous peaks at around 0.52 and 0.46. So flipping this into support, a retest would not be bad at all. And if we go and look on the weekly, yes, on the weekly we see, sorry, on the weekly we clearly see our bull support band is at 0.046. So we are way above our bull support band on the weekly. And even if we come down and retest this bull support band, it would not be bearish at all for VRA. So overall, VRA is looking good to me on the daily, on the weekly also. As I told you a lot of times on Twitter, I see VRA going and hitting to 24 cents in this new leg up. So this is what I see VRA, and these are the different resistances I see for it on the way for VRA. If you're looking to trade VRA, wait for it to flip 0.068 into support. If you're looking to accumulate like I am, you can buy this dip, because it is likely to do much higher in my opinion. So this was a quick analysis of all these 5 altcoins. I hope you guys like this video and you have already subscribed to the channel. Let me know what all other altcoins you want me to analyze and I'll do it as quick as possible. Take care guys. Bye bye.